Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. As always, welcome back to another edition of my protective styling challenge. All right, so today I just really want to talk to you all a little bit about the maintenance of my twist and really any protective style that you may see in my hair. So first we're going to talk about my day-to-day routine before I go to bed. Okay, number one is trying to keep my hair light and fluffy, you know, so not having a lot of product weighing my hair down, keeping it clean. Again, kind of goes back to not having all of this extra stuff in my hair and creating all of this buildup. And then last but not least, keeping my hair moisturized, okay? Because when we talk about protecting our hair, we're talking about low manipulation. We're talking about making sure our ends are secure, not rubbing a lot of different surfaces, whether it's our shirts or hair ties or just a lot of different things like that. Also keeping our hair moisturized. So that's what we're talking about when we're talking about maintenance, you know, and taking care of our hair in these styles. All right, so here we go. So what I'm using every day is this water and oil mixture. So in this solution specifically, I think I may have some peppermint oil and olive oil for sure. I always have olive oil. What you put in your oil and water mixture, completely up to you. So with this, all I do is just spray. I'm spritzing my hair all over. I'm not gonna add too much today because I just washed my twist, just washed my hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna spray it wherever I feel like my hair really needs it. And usually when I do it, it's all over. So I'm getting into my roots, right? I'm spraying all up in here, around my crown. I'm doing all of that. And so that's everywhere, all the way throughout my hair, okay? And y'all excuse me, I'm not looking like really popping right now because it's legitimately like about time for me to go to bed. So I'm really showing y'all what I be doing. So I do that whether it's in the morning or at night. Typically I like to do it at night just so my hair is moisturizing overnight, because if you put in too much, you don't want your hair dripping throughout the day, or if it's cold, you don't want to walk outside in the mornings and your hair is wet. So when we talk about taking care of our hair overnight outside of the moisture, but kind of making sure that like our hair is protected, I always sleep with my silk pillowcase. So there's about 3 ways I wrap up my hair. So you can always use your scarf, all right, however you want to do all of that. I try to make sure that every night I'm stretching out my twist, like literally, so in the day I can have as much length as I can possibly have. But depending on how long your twists are anyway, that may not be an issue. And then 2, the texture of your hair. Y'all know my hair just be curling up all the time anyways. 2, you can use your old school bonnet, right? I will be honest that I really don't like using a bonnet when my hair is twisted up, just because your hair can slip up in there, and so then it's gonna get like jammed up top and it's gonna look short the next day. A lot of times this can slip off. It doesn't really secure your hair like this, so not a fan of that. But okay, y'all, I just discovered this next thing, and it has made me living with twists, you know, with my real hair so much easier. Y'all, I found a skull cap. And I'm gonna just be so transparent because somebody down below is gonna ask me where I got it from. Y'all, I don't know, but this is my absolute favorite. So a lot of days I wear my hair down in my twist, and so I go ahead and style my hair however that's gonna be. So usually, y'all know I like the kind of like bang side look, so I'll put all of my hair just like that, right? Just like I'm gonna wear. And then I get my skull cap and I do this right here, and I just pull it over. And in the back of my hair, I make sure that my hair is divided into like 2 sections, just like this, all the way around. And so I'll go back under and I'll pull all of my hair down. So again, it's capturing my length, okay? And then I'll do the same with this side of my hair. I'll go over, pull it all down, and boom, we done. And I go to bed just like this on my silk pillowcase. So whatever hair I have out is constantly hitting that pillowcase, not rubbing on anything else. And then that's it. And I go to bed just like this, right? So I be sleeping, get my beauty rest, and then I wake up in the mornings and I'll pull my skull cap off. And I kid you not, I do one of these real quick. I do this here, and I be like, okay. I get some bobby pins, you know, if that's what I'm gonna do. Pull my hair down and I grab my hoops. I do some fluffing, add my beads, and voila. Yeah, yes, y'all. So I mean, that's really it. Like, honestly, that's my day-to-day with this look. And it's absolutely bananas when I think about it, how simple it is and how beautiful it turns out. But this is it, y'all. And the best part that I really love is the ends of my hair at this moment and how they're curling. The crazy thing is, a lot of these twists have come apart. And so what you're seeing now is the result of a twist out. For example, this twist right here. Y'all, it's a twist out, right? I'm not about to retwist it. I mean, you can. Y'all, look at God. I could never in a million years plan for my ends to just curl up like that any other day. It's a blessing. So thank you all so much for tuning in to another edition of my protective styling hair challenge in regards to my hair care routine and maintenance. So I will be back with another edition soon. Showing you all exactly how I style my hair. So thank you all so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys really soon. Bye.